Welcome back to the morning show. It is 7:25. It's Wednesday and time for the Wise Guy. University of Illinois physics professor Matt Sellon is here. This isn't science. This is slime.
Yeah, this is fun.
There's all kinds of science in this. So let me remind people of the recipe for this stuff. So you start with just white glue, Elmer's glue or anything like that, which is a mixture of, as far as I can gather by reading things online, which you have to be a little suspicious of, but it's polyvinyl acetate and polyvinyl alcohol, which are biggish molecules, but not that big. And then when you mix it with the borax solution, which is sodium borate, the boron, or the boric acid part of that kind of welds all these other molecules together, so you get big molecules.
Okay.
And the water gets trapped inside, and that's what makes it kind of icky. And so what you do is you take equal parts glue and water, mix it all together, and then you take an equal part of that, the same amount of borax solution, and you mix that all together and you get the slime.
Could you do this with that borax cleaner?
Yeah, it's what it is. It's a big box of powder. I don't know if the liquid stuff would work. You could try it, you know. But anyways, I'll put the recipe on the website. So once you've made it, at first it's very, very slimy. And then after a little while, it takes more of a less slimy shape. So now we can handle it without getting ourselves all disgusting.
Kind of moist.
And so really, this is more now like silly putty. If you've ever played with that stuff as a kid, what's kind of neat is
bouncy.
Yeah, it's kind of bouncy, and something shaped like this doesn't bounce real good. But if you form it into a ball, it'll bounce. And then you can make I made another batch, which is this sort of disgusting shape, right?
It looks like a flapjack.
That's right. and if you can do fun things with it, Robert, do you want to?
Oh, can I? May I?
Yes, you may. You may. Maybe this one will probably work better.
Think they look better?
So.
Robert.
Kind of whoopee cushionish, isn't it?
It's kind of fun, isn't it? Oh my God.
It's fun.
The boys are easily amused, aren't they?
Yeah, we are.
That's funny no matter how old you are. That's funny.
right. And so the cool thing about this is it still flows. It's sort of like a liquid in that if you spread your fingers apart and you just kind of lay it on your fingers and you wait long enough, eventually it all just oozes down like this very boogery, you know,
Yeah.
and which is kind of neat. So
how long will this keep before the water starts to be not trapped anymore?
well, eventually, it feels kind of wet all the time, and that's because it still has water in it. And if you just left it out, it kind of dries out eventually. If you can store it in a baggie, and it'll keep for, you know, a few days or so, but it'll get eventually, I think, it gets moldy.
Something fun to make on a kind of a rainy day, too.
Yeah, and it's all plain household ingredients, and you really can't go wrong with it, and you know, just ask your parents first, because it is kind of messy.
Is there anything that science is not involved in?
No, of course not.
Okay.
Okay.
Science and everything. This is like Ghostbuster slime, too.
That's right.
Check it out.
So I need some ideas. I want to know what people think we ought to do for the 4th of July show, which is coming up pretty soon. You know?
That is a good idea.
And so it's always,
I wonder.
Let's blow some stuff up with fireworks.
we might have to do some kind of explosion, I think. But anyway,
All right,
They're good. That's cool.
If you've got any questions or ideas for the Wise Guy, you can send them in the morning show at wcia.com. And don't forget his website online. It's thewiseguy.net. We're back with more of the morning show.
Oh, that's cool right there.
Hey, Rob, catch.